The Madalam has come to be a major component in the performance of classical art forms such as Kathakali. The versatile blend of thala and nada, rhythm and tone, contributes greatly to the movements and expressions of the performer.
In Kathakali, സാധാരണയുള്ളത് ചെമ്പട, ചെമ്പ, അടന്ത, പഞ്ചാരി ഈ 4 താളത്തിലുള്ള കലാശങ്ങളും ഇതൊക്കെ പിന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ വകഭേദം അടന്തയുടെ വകഭേദം മുറിയടന്ത, ത്രിപട അതൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. എങ്കിലും ഈ 4 താളത്തിനുള്ളിലുള്ളത് മാത്രമേ കഥകളി വിഷയത്തിൽ താളങ്ങളുള്ളൂ.
Even though the thala structure remains the same for all the bhavas or emotions, it's the Madalam artist's talent that enriches the bhavas being enacted by the artist. Since the Kathakali artist conveys the story through Angiga Abhinaya, acting with the body, and not through Vajiga Abhinaya or verbal histrionics, the Madalam plays a vital role in aiding the actor to communicate the bhavas to the spectators. Apart from this, there is ample space in which the Madalam artist can freely improvise. The range of the Madalam has changed through time. Today, it can produce minute sounds of nature, such as the drone of a black beetle, as also the sound of the veena or the galloping of a horse. Earlier, Panchavadyam, Keli and Kathakali were limited largely to temples, royal palaces and houses of the landed gentry. Today, it has broken free of such cloistered spaces and reached the wider outside world. No matter where it is played, the unique sound of the Madalam fascinates, enticing the listener into a timeless enchantment of rhythm and sound.